Hello, Capricorn. Welcome to your horoscope for May 1st to 15th, 2025. If you're seeking guidance on making wise decisions, embracing growth, and cultivating a peaceful lifestyle, this is your cosmic roadmap. Let's explore how the stars are aligning to support your journey towards structure, resilience, and lasting fulfillment. This period brings an opportunity for grounding and refinement, dear Capricorn, with Saturn, your ruling planet. Continuing its steady influence, you'll feel driven to focus on long-term goals and practical foundations. Mercury retrograde may challenge communication at times, but it also invites you to slow down and perfect the details of your life. Trust your methodical nature. It will guide you toward thoughtful choices and meaningful progress. Career and finances. In your career, expect steady progress around May 3rd when Jupiter harmonizes with disciplined energies. You'll feel inspired to take charge of projects, streamline processes, or solidify your professional reputation. However, Mercury retrograde reminds you to review contracts or agreements carefully before finalizing them. Attention to detail ensures success. Financially, focus on budgeting wisely and revisiting investments. Smart planning now can lead to lasting stability and peace of mind. Relationships and social life. Your relationships deepen during this time, especially around May 7th, when Venus amplifies harmony and connection. Single Capricorns may meet someone who appreciates their reliability and dedication. For those in partnerships, prioritize quality time and acts of kindness. They strengthen emotional bonds. Surround yourself with people who respect your hard work and support your growth. They're essential for maintaining inner peace. Health and well-being. May invites you to prioritize self-care and nurture your well-being. Around May 9th, the moon highlights the importance of rest and balance. Avoid overworking yourself. Set boundaries to protect your energy. Incorporate calming practices like meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature. By honoring your needs, you create space for clarity and resilience. True peace begins within. Personal growth and spirituality. The second week of May encourages reflection and personal growth. Around May 12th, Mercury retrograde prompts you to revisit past goals or unresolved feelings. Instead of resisting, embrace this energy to gain new insights and refine your path forward. Trust your intuition. It's guiding you toward choices that align with your highest good. Each step forward brings you closer to living authentically and peacefully. Build your legacy. Capricorn, these 2 weeks are all about using your natural discipline and perseverance to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Stay patient, stay grounded, and trust the process. You're building a foundation for lasting peace and fulfillment. The universe is cheering you on every step of the way.